Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our research today. We are Group 6 from the Statistics and Data Science program. My name is Delia Kanuraini, together with my group members in Noval Fawasova and Muhammad Fatihul Inamwafin. We would also like to express our gratitude to our lecturer, Ma'am Fena, for her guidance and support throughout this research. Today, we would like to present our study entitled The Relationship Between Smartphone Use Before Sleep and College Students' Concentration Level. The purpose of this study in the analyze whether smartphone use before sleeping and affect students concentration during learning and activities. And let's begin. Okay, background on the study. Smartphones have become an important part of students' daily life. Many students use smartphones before going to sleep for activities such as accessing social media, watching videos, and communication online. However, excessive smartphone use at night might reduce sleep and quality and influence students' concentration levels during study and activities. Therefore, this study was conducted to determine whether there is significant relationship between smartphone use before sleep and concentration level among college students. Okay, this is respondent distribution. This slide show of the distribution by gender. The respondent in this study consistent of male and female university students. There were 50 male students and 50 female students who participate in this research. The data where college use the online questionnaire distribution through Google Form.
Hello, my name is Naufal Fawasova with name 2504220056. This average sleepiness by semester. This slides present the average sleepiness level of students based on their semester. The study shows that students from different semesters have different this sleepiness level. The average value range from 2 to 3, and semester 4 students saw the highest average sleepiness level. This result indicates that smartphone usage before sleep may influence student sleep quality and alertness during lectures. This smartphone influence on concentration. This slide explains student opinions regarding the influence of smartphone usage on concentration. The respondent answers were divided into 4 categories: no influence, lack influence, significant influence, and not sure. Most respondents believe that smartphone usage before sleep affects their concentration during study activities. And this finding suggests that many students are aware of the negative impact of excessive smartphone usage at night. Next, the descriptive statistic. The data in this study were analyzed during descriptive statistics. The analysis include mean, median, mode, minimum value, and maximum value. The respondent age range from 17 to 21 years old, and the most common age was 19 years old. The histogram also shows the distribution of respondents' age in this research. This descriptive statistic help us understand the general characteristic of the respondents.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatihul Inamwafin. My student ID number is 2504220061. Okay, concentration level distribution. This slide presents the distribution of student concentration level during study activities. The concentration level were measured using a 5-point Likert scale: very poor, very good, and excellent. Most respondents selected the good category, followed by the fair category. Only a few respondents selected poor or excellent. The result indicate that most students perceive the concentration level as relatively good. Okay, next, correlation analysis. Next, we conducted a correlation analysis to determine the relationship between smartphone usage before sleep and students' concentration levels. In this study, smartphone usage before sleep was treated as the independent variable. Student concentration level was treated as the dependent variable. The Pearson correlation coefficient was negative 0.62. This indicates a moderate negative relationship between the two variables. The p-value obtained from the analysis was 0.01, which is lower than 0.05. Therefore, the relationship is statistically significant. This meant that students who spend more time using smartphone before sleep tend to have lower concentration level during study activities. The next, interpretation of result. Based on the findings, students who frequently use smartphone before sleeping tend to experience lower concentration level. In addition, smartphone usage at night may reduce sleep quality. Poor sleep quality can cause students to feel sleepy and less focused during lectures. Therefore, excessive smartphone usage before bedtime may negatively affect students' academic performance and learning concentration.
Okay, in conclusion, this is a study found that there is significant relationship between smartphone use before sleep and students' concentration level. And then the relationship is negative, meaning that higher smartphone use before bedtime tends to reduce concentration during study activity, and therefore students are encouraged to manage their smartphone use wisely, especially during nighttime hours, in order to maintain better sleep quality and improve concentration while study. Okay, this is for our presentation today. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.